Myntri ketenat kekwat kekia ke Khuborjylla ubah wailat miki Shillong uloong bakat kum kekai pot ke badang yo thamai ke Jingpang Jingpang tuberculosis ha Meghalaya ke lanang hiar watla dangdon kat tu kat ni ke distrik ke badang don kamban ai Jingiakhun kerpang. Habakren bekilat pathai Khubor Myntri ulaythu bulatho shabaro ki MLA bekin Kyrshan ni kinongpang TV haki constituency jongki bat Jingiakhun pisai ki banthet ik Jingpang bataimet. Ulapan pau ke Jingkermen pada keni ke Jingiakhun Khuborjylla kanang UI ke Jinghiar shushu jong kinongpang TV haki por bandang wan.
Tuberculosis is, I think, according to latest report which I'm receiving, it has decreased. It is in a decreasing trend, but there is area to area wise where I think some concern has to be focused. I don't have the correct data with me, but last time in the review meeting, I still remember that it is in a decreasing trend, but we'll urge that awareness has to be given to certain areas, and at the same time we urge people to come forward and adopt these people, because there are some certain cases, certain loss of follow-up cases, because you know that because they have a certain period where they have to take their medication. So but at the same time during their medication they have to take this healthy food, nutritious food. So that's why especially in the rural areas where people are very poor. So that's why last time also I have written a letter to all my colleague MLA in the assembly that if they can adopt this tuberculosis patient in their constituencies, where if they adopt them and then give them this, provide them with financial assistance to buy this nutritious food. So definitely we'll see that in the coming days we'll see the much decreasing trend in tuberculosis. Right now I think it's not wise for me to just say it, because I think, but there are 2-3 districts which like we see in this increasing trend.